Hi, welcome back. So I have a more detail about the repair, the crash, my car repair. They put in the estimate today and the estimated date of repair. I was shocked. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video to the original video I did where I show the damage, take you in close, view it, zoom in and everything, so you can judge for yourself. So take a look at that. The link will be in the description of this video if you haven't seen it already. So thank God I have insurance. The estimate for the repairs is $7,389, which I thought was, I couldn't believe it. I mean, if you watch the video, you'll see it's only the rocker panel and it's the bottom. But there are all kinds of things like seals they list and a lot of parts. So it's a very expensive, again, I mean, I was just shocked. Also, the estimate of the time is 3 weeks. I did call to check on that, and they said typically that it's, that's about right, because it's all about how hard it is for them to get parts from Tesla. And they are a certified, Tesla repair body shop. So that is my latest update. I know I had posted one today or earlier where I didn't have any details. I dropped it off, didn't know. Well, today I got the email and the text, and it is $7,389. Thank goodness I only have to pay my deductible, so that's good. But I'm going to be without my Tesla for 3 weeks. I am going to miss it. I have a rental car from the insurance company, and I've got to buy gas now. So, I'm getting that. What's the shock of driving an ICE car again and paying for gas, which, wow, with the price of gas right now, it's making me appreciate my Model 3 all the more. But yeah, so I just wanted to post this update and let you know that it is $7,389 and 3 weeks for the repair. And also to show off my new hoodie with my logo of my channel. It's got my channel URL and alias down both sleeves, as well as my QR code on the back. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I was thinking about making these available for sale and also possibly t-shirts. So let me know if there's an interest. Put it in the comments if you would be interested in purchasing one to help support my channel, or a t-shirt. I don't have any pricing or anything yet, but it wouldn't be exorbitant as far as I know. It'd be, hoodie price or t-shirt price. I mean, I don't know yet, again, because it depends on quantity and all those kind of things that I have to buy. But let me see if you're interested. So if you are, put something in the comments. I answer all comments, but let me know what you think. Would you be interested in getting one of these? Also, remember to like, subscribe if you haven't yet. Click that bell so I can give you all the updates on the repair. Anything new that comes up, I will definitely make another video. And again, in 3 weeks when I pick up the car, I'm going to do a final review, and I will show you the repair, what it looks like, and you can then judge for yourself. I'll do like snapshots before and after, and let you get your opinion. You can let me know what you think. But what do you think of that price? Does that sound reasonable? I mean, I'm in North Jersey, and that's the price for the repair. Again, watch the video. It's linked in the description here so you can see the damage. What do you think? Does that sound reasonable? Does that sound more than, do you have experience getting yours repaired? I mean, $7,389 for everything, parts, labor, and all, seems like it's a lot of money. But let me know what you think. So thanks again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.